Let's change your Roblox avatar height on mobile. Now open up the Roblox app on your iPhone or Android. It works the exact same. Let's go in and customize your avatar. If you don't like how tall or short your avatar is, keep in mind first we need to go over to R15, switch to R15, and then we can adjust the height. To be able to do that, let's hit the Customize button, and you can see it usually defaults to characters, head and body, clothing, etc. After you've gone through all of those different things and you're happy with everything, you can adjust the height by swiping all the way over until you get to the option that says Build and tap on that. Now, the first thing we'll do at the very bottom, if you're set to R6, you need to switch over to R15. This is only an option within R15. After we've done that, we can adjust the head size, but if I scroll up, you'll be able to see I can turn this slider up, and you can see he gets a little bit taller. I can bring it down. He gets a little bit shorter, so I can adjust the height in addition to how skinny or large he is just by going to the left and right. Basically, you can just make him however you want, and then you're good to go.